In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this mesh with metaballs and a sphere. I'll create a sphere and a metaball. Please select the sphere first, then shift-select the metaball to create a parenting relationship by pressing Ctrl+P. The idea is to decrease or increase the size of the metaballs to create an interesting shape like this. We can subdivide the sphere to have more metaballs on the surface. In order for us to create a customized shape like this, we can go to Edit mode of the sphere and randomize the faces. Please keep in mind that the modifier order will change the shape of the mesh as well. The idea is to create a complex low polygon sphere mesh like this, and use the metaballs on the surface. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.